Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Rohit Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to free access Claude Code using Tencent Hy3 free model. I have already installed Git VS Code on my PC. So let's start the make setup. Now I am going to install Claude Code. Open web browser, go to search, type Claude Code, quick start, hit enter, click on first link, quick start Claude Code docs. Scroll down, copy this Windows PowerShell command, go to Windows search, type PowerShell, click open, paste the copied command here, hit enter, setting up Claude Code, installing Claude Code native build, Claude Code successfully installed. Now select and copy this path, go to Windows search, type environment, click on edit the system environment variables, click environment variables, select path, click edit, click new, paste the copied path here, click OK, click OK, click OK, close PowerShell, go to Windows search, type cmd, click command prompt, type Claude, hit enter. Now Claude is open. Choose the text style to look best with your terminal. By default is dark mode. Hit enter. Now you can see login method. First, Claude account with subscription. Second is Anthropic console account. Third is third party platform. Now I'm going to show you the way of free access Claude Code. Close Claude Code. Go to browser. Open new tab. Go to search. Type OpenRouter. Hit enter. Click on first link. OpenRouter. Click on sign up. Now I'm going to log on OpenRouter through Google account. Now I am logged on through Google account. Click on get API key. Right now we don't have any API key here. Go to search. You can see the model list. I'm going to search free model. You can pick the any free model Hy3 Laguna XX 2.1. It is also a very good model, but in my case I will choose Hy3 model. It is a free tier model. No need of subscription or credit card. Hy3 is 295 billion parameters mixture of expert model from Tencent, 21 billion active, 198 expert with top 8 routings. Click on quick start, get your API key, click create API key, click new key, set the key name. I have given it name Hy3 free key, select key life. In this video demonstration, I will choose 1 over key life. Click create. Now key is generated. Copy this key. Read carefully. Please copy it now and write down somewhere safe. You will not be able to see it again. Now I am going to save this key in Notepad. Minimize Notepad. Click close. Click open router. Click docs. Click cookbook. Click Claude Code. Scroll down. Click project settings file. Copy of these codes. Minimize web browser. Open this PC. Open C drive. Open users folder. Open admin folder. Open Claude folder. Select this setting.json file. Right click on settings file. Open with Visual Studio Code. Remove these codes. Paste the copied code here. Anthropic API key. Type comma. Hit enter. Add line. Inverted comma. Anthropic underscore model colon inverted comma. Paste the model here. Tencent Hy3 free. Go to Notepad. Copy this key. Paste the copied key here. Click Files. Click Save. Close VS Code. Minimize web browser. Close Claude folder. Go to Windows search. Type cmd. Click command prompt. Type Claude. Hit enter. Theme dark. Hit enter. Hit enter to continue. Yes, I trust this folder. Hit enter. Now Claude is open here. You can see the model. Tencent Hy3 free. Type hi. Hit enter. It's showing hi. How can I help you today? This means it's working. Now I am giving task to him. Create a hello world web page using HTML and save it on desktop. Hit enter. Now you can see the hello world web page is created. It is asking to create hello-world.html. Hit enter to yes. Now you can see the file appears on desktop. Let's double click on it. Click just once. Now hello world web page is open. So guys, that's all in this video. Hope you understand how to free access Claude Code using Tencent Hy3 free model. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.